Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Exciting day today because I have this lovely package from Aircraft Spruce. So this is some amazing stuff that I've ordered for my aircraft. So I figured I'd share opening it with you. Haven't opened it yet. This is something I've ordered and it's going to make my aircraft incredibly special. It is a whole bunch of nuts and bolts. Not as exciting as it might seem, but this is actually all the equipment and washers and grommets and stuff I need to put the instrument panel back together and mount my new altimeter, all the Tinneman nuts and bolts and stuff there. Good exciting stuff. I also have a new camera setup. It's also really cool. In the GoPro app you can actually watch what you're recording while you're recording it. Pretty fancy stuff. Quick update on the aircraft. Hopefully we'll have the annual started next week, and then we can get the I guess in the new year we'll hopefully be airborne again and have my endorsement started and actually have some interesting videos of flying. I'll probably do a video on the installation of all this stuff. I think I have one more set of screws coming tomorrow, which unfortunately is the first thing I need. Step one in the installation, so that's kind of annoying. Yeah, it should be good. Hopefully it's not too cold, and hopefully we'll be flying soon. Anyways, that's all for now. There'll probably be a cut now to the hangar. And we're in the hangar now. How are you feeling, Charlie?
A bit cold.
Bit cold. It's about 38 degrees, so we won't be here too long, but hopefully we can get the altimeter and the VSI in. We don't have all the tools. Sorry, we have all the tools, but a few of the screws, unfortunately, for the final mounting haven't come in yet. So you're very cold, aren't you? We'll be as quick as we can. So I'll give you a shot here of when we wrap up, see how far we can get. Well, that's about it for tonight. Charlie's cold, I'm cold. Hopefully next week we can get the rest of the panel installed and get it over to the shop for the annual. And maybe there'll be a few less boring videos. We can actually take the plane and do some flying. What do you think, Charles?
Yeah.
Say goodnight, everyone.
Good night, everyone.